How to use Proxy Janitor AI. Follow the instructions. Register on janitor.com with your email to gain entry into Proxy functionalities. Get going. Join the Janitor AI Discord to retrieve your unique Proxy API key and set up details now. Copy the provided reverse proxy endpoint URL. Note it includes your secret API key. Proceed. Open Janitor AI settings, select reverse proxy option, and paste your copied endpoint URL. Save the settings and test your proxy connection to ensure a smooth integration experience. Begin using Janitor AI with the proxy, enjoying uncensored replies and extended windows. OK. Monitor daily usage limits and troubleshooting tips via Discord and user forums regularly. Keep informed on updates, read guides and join discussions for improved proxy performance. Thank you for watching.